Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Friendship Day is just around the corner, and today we're making the cutest little gifts for those special pals in our lives. This one's super special because it's for my little son's friends. First things first, you'll need some acrylic keychains. I found these awesome ones on Amazon. I've popped the link down in the description below so you can easily grab them too. Now, for the magic touch. Here, I've chosen these adorable pictures. But you know what's great? You can choose any memorable moments photo with your friends, or even your friend's most memorable pic to make it super special and personal. As these are for little kids, I wanted something unique, so I used Gemini to generate some really cute, personalized pictures. Seriously, Gemini understood exactly what I was going for and gave me some fantastic designs. Look how adorable these turned out. Next up, we need to trim all these pictures to fit perfectly inside our keychains. Just measure carefully and snip away. Alright, our pictures are trimmed and ready. The next step is super satisfying. Here's where I'm taking 2 pictures for each keychain. I'm placing them like this, one on each side, so you'll have cute designs visible from both sides once it's closed. Then, just carefully place your pictures inside the acrylic keychain and snap it shut. You'll hear a little click, and that means it's secure. To make sure these little treasures last, I'm going to seal them with a tiny bit of Fevikwik around the edges. Just a small dab will do the trick to keep everything nice and snug, and they're ready. How cute are these? I know my son's friends are going to love them. It's such a simple, heartfelt gift that anyone can make. If you enjoyed this quick and easy DIY, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more fun projects, and let me know in the comments what you're making for Friendship Day. See you next time.